Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Xbox Series X with the profile you want to change. This ensures your settings save to the right account. Press the Xbox button to open the guide, then move right to Profile and System. Select your profile to open customization options. Once done, make sure you're using the main dashboard view so options appear correctly. This reduces confusion and speeds the next steps as you access background and theme controls. Now you'll select Customize and then change background to pick where the image comes from. Xbox lets you use captures, screenshots, or a custom USB image. You should choose the source, then locate the file and use the built-in crop and scale controls so important parts of the image aren't cut off. Make sure to preview how text and icons sit over the background. This is why adjusting scale matters, because readability can change with contrast and image placement. Finish by selecting Apply to set the new background and confirm that the change saves to your profile. You'll see the dashboard update immediately. If the image doesn't appear, restart the console and check the image format and storage. Xbox prefers JPG or PNG and a properly formatted USB drive. If problems persist, sign out and back in, or try a different image. This isolates file corruption versus system settings, which helps you identify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.